Can you believe that there is a website that in every minute you can easily earn $5? And I repeat, $5 for every minute of work. Amazing, right? Every effort and the time you spend on this website is really worth it. Imagine 1 hour you will earn $300. Now that is just insane. This strategy that I am going to show you today is one of the easiest way to make money online. The best part is it requires no skills and expertise in any way. So any single person watching this video right now can do this and get paid so easily. So if you want to know how, stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hi everyone! So for today guys, I am going to show you a one-of-a-kind strategy for you to make money online that is one of literally the easiest ways to make money online. And I mean the easiest. You won't even have to invest a lot of your time into this to actually make a profitable income or even sell a product or promote anything. So let's get to know how. So this site that will be paying us today is called G2.com. For those who don't know, this is basically a website where people give different reviews on different softwares. And as you can see right over here, it's very comparable to Trustpilot, which is another similar website. Anyways, in this platform, casual people like you and me review different softwares and applications and websites as well. You can actually see a bunch of software categories they have on here. We have project management, video conferencing, e-commerce, and many more. To put it simply, this site has a lot of reviews on software in a bunch of different categories. But that's not the mind-blowing part about this website, and just what makes us want to use it in the first place. Initially, for every review that you leave on this platform, you will easily get paid. Amazing, right? The best part is, you do not need to even record yourself talking about a certain software and then upload it to social media. You won't be doing any of that. You will be just leaving your reviews on this platform and boom! You made money very easily. But remember, you have to watch until the very end of this video to learn this strategy, so stick with me. I know what you're thinking. Why would this site even pay us for just leaving reviews? Well, here you can see why. Help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. So basically, a good review from you can eventually convince someone to purchase any software throughout G2. And of course, G2 would make money from it. This is the reason why they are willing to pay you for all of your reviews that you post on this website, because they will also make a lot of money themselves. So I won't go over all of the things you can do in this site, but I want to get to the point where I show you what you need to do in order to make money. So when you come into this platform, you scroll down to the bottom until you reach this section. Then click on Write a Review right here. This will now bring you over to this page, which I will explain how everything works. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. So now, you see what you need to earn around here. The very first step is to just pick any one of these categories that you will do your reviews for. You can go for finance design, accounting, business operation, and a lot more. Remember, what you pick doesn't matter, but if you use a lot of softwares in one of these categories, then you choose that one. If you don't, then choose one randomly. This isn't gonna actually affect the amount of money that you are going to make. After you pick the category, you then pick a software. And if you choose a category that you have softwares you actually have used in the past, then you would want to leave reviews on them firsthand. And that way, you can give a much more genuine and honest review. And you will of course get paid for each review. Amazing, right? Then once again, you will pick one at random. Then on the next page, you just have to click on review here. And after that, just continue to log in. This will help you create a brand new account before you will be able to get paid leaving a ton of reviews on this site. You can actually register either via LinkedIn, Google, or your email, because through email, you won't even have to enter in all of your complete information, which just takes a little more time depending on the way you chose to log in. So the next thing you will do is actually just similar. You will review that one software that you picked, then they will ask you how likely are you to recommend this to a friend or colleague. Then you will be given a choice between the numbers 0, which is not likely, and 10, which is very likely. But here's a trick. I will show you something that will help you a lot. When leaving reviews, you would want to go over to Google and type in the name of the software you are going to review and then type in reviews next to it. This will show you other websites in which you can find reviews on that specific software and you can check them out. And based on these reviews, you can leave great reviews on a product that you haven't even tried in your whole life and don't even know what it's about, which in return is going to make you a lot of money. After you choose a number between 0 and 10, they will now ask you to describe your experience, as you can see right here. You will first pick a title for your review in this box, and from there, you can then write a review on the product. Now what you do is go to some review site on Google to see what another person has written about that software in question and translate it into your own words. Remember guys, it is very important to not copy and paste their answers because G2 will actually recognize that and you will not get paid. Originality is the key. Something that I like to do is read 10 different reviews on one product and then write my own review based from what those people said. As you can see, you will write what you like about a certain product and the things you don't like about it and a lot more. Remember guys, the only questions that are similar for every software you are doing a review on are actually what you like and dislike about it. All the rest will be random and will be based on what product you are doing a review on. After you write everything needed from you, you will submit it, and every review you will actually earn between $10 to $20, and that is amazing because writing the review doesn't take too much of your free time. It takes about 2 to 5 minutes at most. Not just that, it doesn't require you any skills or expertise in anything. Just by leaving reviews on all of these softwares, you will end up making a lot of passive income absolutely easy. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!